All right, today I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to your vehicle. How to add windshield washer fluid to your car, SUV, truck, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid. The first thing you're going to need is some windshield washer fluid. Right here I have SuperTech Summer Formula windshield washer fluid. You just have to make sure that it's windshield washer fluid for your car. So it's pretty much any gas station you go to, get some windshield washer fluid. I suggest just getting the regular, not the bug remover or anything like that can gunk up your windshield washer fluid mechanism. So once you've grabbed the windshield washer fluid, you're going to have to open the trunk, or excuse me, the hood. Why would you open the trunk in order to add windshield washer fluid? You don't do it. You open the hood. So what you'll do is I'm sitting in the front seat of my vehicle, my car. What you'll do is you'll go down to the side of the vehicle and you will find a hood popper latch thing right here. What you'll have to do is take this and pull it until it pops. You hear it pop just like that? That is indicator that the hood is open. Now you're gonna have to walk to the front of the vehicle, which I'm gonna do. And then once in the front of the vehicle, you're going to have to find the safety latch. And on this one, it is in the bottom, and I'm going to push it to the left. So put my finger, push it to the left, and it pops open. This is what I'm talking about. I'll show you in a second after I put up the kickstand. So a lot of vehicles have a kickstand or a stand for you to keep the hood open. Some of them don't require it. So you just take this down and put it into place. Goes down right here, right there. Now we're ready to add the windshield washer fluid. So you're gonna get the windshield washer fluid and you're gonna open it up. It's gonna have a mechanism to where you have to press down and open it. It's kind of tricky to open. Then you'll have to open the top of it. So you'll have to take a key or coin and pierce the top of it, okay? Try not to get any of that on you, and then wash your hands after you do get it on you right here. So peel that back, and after you peel that back, you'll find where the windshield washer fluid goes. And right here, that is the universal sign for windshield washer fluid right here. You're gonna open this up and check in here. That's a check to see if you have any in there. It's quite empty, all right? Now you can take a funnel, or if you're talented like I am, you can take the windshield washer fluid and pour it in where it doesn't spill anywhere. And you pour it in here until you fill it up, okay? So you fill it up so it looks full right there. And then I'll put that down. I'll take the cap, place it back on for safe purposes, okay? And then close it. Next, we're gonna check to see if it works. So I'm gonna have to remove the bottle and then pick up the kickstand and put it back into place. And then shut the hood. All right, now I'm gonna go back into the vehicle. And once in the vehicle, I'm going to turn it on and we're gonna check to see if it goes. All right, so once you're in the vehicle, all right, you are going to check to see if the fluid is actually running. So we're gonna find the lever to dispense the fluid, pull it back, and you can see it's dispensing right there. And that is indicative that the windshield washer fluid is now back to operating properly. And that is how you add windshield washer fluid to your car, vehicle, SUV, truck, whatever you want to call it. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching and washing your windshield.